World Tile is headquartered in Denver, Colorado. We have 15 retail locations spread across Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona. A couple primary reasons why we wanted to go with Epicor Hosting. First and foremost, it gives us if our power or our internet connections go down in our main office, before we went to hosting, that meant all of our stores, remote locations couldn't connect to our server. And now, if that happens, we don't miss a beat in any of our store locations. So that's a huge improvement and lack of any kind of interruption. Secondly, we have a huge feeling of security in the fact that all of our data is maintained outside of our building, given any kind of natural disaster or any other kind of problem with the information inside of our building. We don't have to worry about that any longer. Thirdly, rather than having to invest in a giant server, we were able to just spread our costs and basically rent the space rather than having to own that equipment. And the less equipment that we have to have in-house, given the fact that we don't want to devote a lot of resources to IT folks, are way easier for us. With the Epicor Hosting implementation, there's really nothing has to be done. You turn everything off at night and you come back in the morning and you're just connected to the hosting site. So there really isn't much to the implementation at all. It's very simple for a World Tile. Epicor Hosting definitely helps from a standpoint, anytime there's a software upgrade, we don't have to manage the disks and the process of upgrading to the next software level. That's done automatically at the hosting site, so there's no steps involved in that. And then just on a daily basis, we don't have to worry about backing up our data. So our employees used to have to go through the steps in the morning to change out the security tapes and the backup information and those kind of things, which now is done for us. Additionally, it's easier on our employees because there's the layers of security on each of our terminals. Since the data is going back and forth with the Epicor Hosting site, that's another thing that we just don't have to worry about. Certainly, Epicor Hosting helps with keeping our customers' data secure. We collect a lot of information about each of our customers, and many of our customers are repeat over time. So having that data being secure is helpful for our customers. Also, the impact of always having each store go directly to the server being off-site makes each customer transaction go easier and smoother. The Epicor Hosting system, from a competitive advantage for us, is that we don't have to spend a lot of resources on IT and maintaining our server, and instead we can easily have Epicor take care of that part of our business for us.